Welcome to the new video. Today we will talk about what is procurement and its process, and also what is the procurement cycle. Let's start. Procurement refers to the strategic process of acquiring goods, services, or works from external sources, typically suppliers or vendors, to fulfill the needs of an organization. It involves the identification of sourcing requirements, supplier selection, negotiation of contracts, and the management of supplier relationships to ensure timely and cost-effective procurement of goods and services. The procurement process. The procurement process encompasses a series of steps designed to facilitate the acquisition of goods and services in a systematic and efficient manner. While specific processes may vary depending on organizational requirements and industry standards, the typical procurement process consists of the following key stages. 1. Identifying needs. The procurement process begins with identifying the organization's requirements for goods or services. This involves assessing current inventory levels, analyzing demand forecasts, and understanding operational needs. 2. Supplier selection. Once the needs are identified, the next step is to select suitable suppliers or vendors capable of meeting those requirements. This involves evaluating potential suppliers based on factors such as product quality, price, reliability, and delivery capabilities. 3. Request for proposal, RFP, or quotation, RFQ. Organizations may issue RFPs or RFQs to solicit bids or proposals from qualified suppliers. These documents outline the organization's requirements, specifications, terms, and conditions, allowing suppliers to submit their offers for consideration. 4. Negotiation and contracting. After reviewing supplier proposals, organizations engage in negotiations to finalize terms and conditions, including pricing, delivery schedules, payment terms, and service levels. Once mutually acceptable terms are reached, contracts are formalized to govern the supplier relationship. 5. Purchase order, PO, issuance. Upon contract finalization, organizations issue purchase orders to selected suppliers, detailing the specific goods or services ordered, quantities, prices, delivery dates, and other relevant terms. POs serve as legal documents authorizing the supplier to fulfill the order. 6. Goods receipt and inspection. Upon delivery of goods or completion of services, organizations receive and inspect the received items to ensure they meet quality and specification requirements outlined in the purchase order. Any discrepancies or issues are addressed with the supplier through the established channels. 7. Invoice verification and payment. After goods receipt and inspection, organizations verify supplier invoices against the corresponding purchase orders and contracts to ensure accuracy. Once validated, invoices are processed for payment according to agreed-upon payment terms. 8. Supplier performance evaluation. Organizations continuously monitor and evaluate supplier performance based on predefined metrics such as delivery timeliness, product quality, responsiveness, and adherence to contractual terms. Feedback and performance data are used to assess supplier effectiveness and inform future procurement decisions. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and comment. Till then, keep optimizing.